Just looking at one of our weather cameras, sitting a little bit on top of cars.
Yeah, temperatures are now falling back close to freezing. We've got those winds calming down, so some patchy frost is developing. And I mention that because as you get up in the morning, you may want to warm up the cars just a few minutes early before you head out the door. Scrape off that windshield a little bit. Temperatures tonight are expected to fall into the upper 20s. We had clear skies earlier on this evening, but already starting to see some cloud cover moving in from the south and west. This is accompanied by a system that is making its way in from the Gulf states. This is the same storm system that Kate was just telling you about out in Oklahoma. You can see the center of that storm still producing some snowfall through central parts of the state there. Rain on the north and east side of that system. We'll be dealing with the warm side of this storm as it moves northward. You can see it's gathering moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, streaming up through parts of Mississippi and Alabama. As we head into your Friday, those rain showers will move in and unfortunately are going to put a little damper on perhaps your Friday evening plans. So let me take you through your forecast for tomorrow. Tonight you can see the cloud cover starts to move in and we'll have some clouds around, especially south of I-70 by daybreak tomorrow. But at least we're dry. As you head out through the day, we'll have plenty of sunshine with a mixture of sun and clouds through at least lunchtime. After that, clouds really start to thicken up and the chances for rain make their way on in. Here's 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So if you're in the evening commute in those far southern counties and cities, including parts of Spring Grove down into Miamisburg and parts of Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties, that's where you could see some rain showers making their way in. By the time 6, 7 o'clock rolls around, rain is going to be lifting northward and you can see this nice band of some moderate to even heavier rainfall working northward. Off and on showers through the evening, then tapering off for Friday night. By the time you wake up Saturday morning, we should already start to see the sunshine back in our area. As for tomorrow, even though the rain comes in, it's pushing in some warmer air. We get up to 47 degrees for a high. Typical highs should be at 35 degrees, so we are 10 plus degrees above average tomorrow afternoon, and then just slowly falling to the 40s tomorrow night. If you need to take your decorations down this weekend, it's actually probably the best weekend you could ask for. Saturday, even into Saturday evening into Sunday, great weather. We'll have dry conditions and above normal temperatures as well. 49 degrees will be our high on Saturday. Some spots likely to hit 50, falling to near freezing Saturday night, and then we're back into the upper 40s on Sunday. So why are we looking at this warm air now, and when are we going to see some colder weather? Well, we've got the cold air that is locked up over the polar regions. That's what we call our Arctic air. But when the Arctic oscillation goes negative, which it's in, you start to see the jet stream, or the winds around the poles, starting to become a bit wobbly. And that allows that colder air to spill southward. Just take a look at this. The darker, deeper purples, that's your cold air. Warmer air is your yellows and oranges. As we move along in time, you're going to see relatively warmer air takes over where the poles are, and you get these polar vortexes, the deeper purples, that kind of extend away from the pole. And that's going to create that colder dip in the jet stream that eventually spills down, if the timing comes out correctly, by the middle of January. There's January 13th. Long-range models do show that's when our temperatures would begin to fall off. 5-day forecast, though, until then, we're above normal. We're in the upper 40s, near 50 degrees this weekend. Rain comes in on Monday. You can see 52 degrees, but then the temperatures start to fall off as we get closer to that cooler air coming closer to the area. And then we'll look at a cold end to the month. Meteorologist Kirsty Zonzini is in at 425. She's going to have the latest on your Friday evening rainfall.
Watch this man run up and steal a package off somebody's front porch.
The one big mistake he made that could get him caught.
Live Doppler 7 radar for the fastest, most accurate severe weather warnings.